won't like it all. They'll say, look at the Salman and the Black Buck case. Look at Salman charged in a hit and run case. And then you've got the Salman Khan of being human. The Salman Khan who will go out of his way and do things I know personally that no other superstar would do. And we got those twins from Patna to meet you. You took time out and spent days with them.
I don't
How
think
do you
that's
reconcile the two Salman Khans?
I don't think that's a big thing at all, to remove 5-10 minutes in an hour or shell out some money from the amount of money you're making because you're successful, people like you, and it's no big deal. I mean, you actually feel for that and you want to do it. It's never out of changing an image or you feeling guilty that you're doing so well, and that's the person who's there who's unfortunate, and but it's just a feel that you feel and you want to do it. As far as the accident case or the Black Buck case, it's been going on for the longest time. Everybody talks about it. हमारा ये प्रॉब्लम है बात करने का, क्या केस है, क्या केस नहीं है, केस है भी या नहीं, मीडिया ट्रायल चल रहा है. Perhaps people would be scared के every time we hear something के some lawyer or some judge has read the cases. What, this 9 years, 11 years on this? So what do you do with that? So I guess the problem would be if some judge comes out and says, Jao khalas, that question perhaps would be raised against him.
You're saying you're the victim of your superstardom because of
because
of who you are that you're
Why? Why? How come he's let go? Has he eaten any money? So it will take somebody, a very dabang judge, a very person who doesn't care about these things, to come and say that there's nothing to it. Let him go. Accident case, culpable homicide. So somebody has to come there and say, there's nothing. Let him go. Now, if we say that we were not driving, it says, हाँ ये तो ये बोलेंगे, हम नहीं खेल रहे थे शिकार, वो हम नहीं था, आपने हमको 1 तारीख की रात को आपको वो हिरन मिले हैं, आपने हमको अरेस्ट किया है 9 तारीख को. तो अगर आपको इस तरह हम खेल रहे थे तो आपको तो ये 9 दिन तो मिल ही गए थे ना, कि हमको तो थोड़ी पता था कि आपको ये जानवर मिले हैं. तो आप हमें कभी भी अरेस्ट कर सकते थे उस वक्त, आप हमें रंगे हाथों पकड़ सकते थे. अब एक सलमान खान गाड़ी लेके जाएगा, जंगल में जाएगा और मारेगा और फिर वापस आएगा. अरे रास्ते कहाँ से पता है उसको, कहाँ जाएगा? एक अकेला आदमी सर्च लाइट भी दिखाएगा, जानवर भी मारेगा, उठा के भी लेके आएगा. ये हाउ इज दैट पॉसिबल?